Hello, and welcome to the Fogler Library tutorial about how to find journals by title using the LibrarySearch catalog. The LibrarySearch catalog contains records for items in all the University of Maine system libraries. First, go to the LibrarySearch catalog. Above the search bar, one of the options available is Journal Search. Click on that option to search for a journal by title. There should be a small box to the left of the search box labeled Journal Search, and in the search box itself you have the option of searching by journal title or by ISSN number. An ISSN number is a unique identifier that helps you be sure you're finding the journal you want, particularly if there's more than one journal with the same name. For this example, we're going to search for Reading Research Quarterly. I'm going to type the title into the search box and then click on the magnifying glass to the right of the search box. The first title listed in the search results is the journal I'm looking for, so I'm going to click on the title of the journal to look up more information about it. The journal record shows that Reading Research Quarterly is peer-reviewed and offers options to save information about the journal, from automatically generating a citation to creating a QR code you can use later to get back to this record. You also have the option of searching for an article within this journal, so if you're looking for a specific article published in Reading Research Quarterly, you can use this search box to find it. Scrolling down, there's a section labeled View Online. This section provides a list of all the different databases this journal appears in and what the date ranges are for each database. This can matter if you're looking for an article published in a specific year, or if you're looking for newer or older articles. If you were looking for articles published in 2024, you could find them in the Wiley Online Library databases. If you were looking for articles published in 1972, you'd want to look in one of the JSTOR databases. Once you've decided which database you want to look in, click on the database page and wait for the journal homepage to load. From there, you can browse articles or use the search option to find specific ones. Beneath the database list in the section labeled Get It, you'll find information about any print version of this journal held by a library. In this case, Reading Research Quarterly issues from 1989 to 2002 are available on microfilm at the University of Maine, Fort Kent. Going back to the search results for a moment, I want to point out that there's a toolbar on the left side of the page with the option Journals by Category. If you want to find a selection of journals related to a specific research topic, you can use these filters. Any category in the filter list that has an arrow next to it has smaller, more specific categories related to it. Click on the arrow to see those categories. For example, if I click on the arrow next to Social Sciences and then select Recreation and Sports, the catalog will give me a list of all the journals related to sports and recreation in any University of Maine system library. If you're looking for a specific journal article from a journal your library doesn't have access to, click on the Iliad link above the search bar to request the article through Interlibrary Loan. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have questions, please get in touch with a librarian using the contact information on the catalog homepage. We'll be happy to help you.